everybody, it's your girl Kira here, back for a video. So in this video I'm going to explain to you guys how to take advantage of the technology that is in your hands and profit from it, make money, because we live in the new age of technology. The year is 2020 and I know we all trying to get that bag, so I'm gonna show you guys a lot of different ways you can make extra income off from your phone. Okay, because these jobs ain't cutting it. You know, a lot of us aren't able to afford all of the things that we want simply through a job, which is why I push everybody to become an entrepreneur like me. I'm an aspiring entrepreneur, and I don't want to always work a 9 to 5, because you simply cannot get ahead working a 9 to 5. You know, my goal is to become a business owner, which I'm working on, so stay tuned. Yes, so the first way you can make some money is through, obviously, YouTube. A lot of people are becoming really wealthy through this platform simply from making videos, attracting attention, talking about you know, trending topics. I believe this is a very easy way to make money, but I mean, then it all comes down to the specific person, because if you're not one to have the motivation to get up every day and make videos and to put your creativeness, put it, you know, in a certain direction, then, you know, it's going to seem more to you like, oh, I got to make this video so I can go make some money. No, you should be wanting to make the video either to help people, inspire people, touch other people. I'm sorry, I'm getting kind of off because we're talking about money. So another way you can make money is through social media followings, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Literally, you can get on these apps, gain a lot of followers, and once you have a lot of followers, then brands, you can get paid to promote different products or things in that nature. Same thing on YouTube. YouTube, you get paid through Google Ads, which are the ads that pop up in the middle of the video, things like that, and that sort. I need some water. Alright, so the next way you can make some money through your phone is on an app called Poshmark. So on this app, if you have any old clothes, any electronics, you know, or anything that you have that you don't necessarily want anymore, or that you know that you can make some money from by selling it, that's a smart thing to do, because even if you don't want to sell the things that you have, you got to think in the future, because you selling that, I don't know, designer dress that you really like, you could be having a lot more money in your pocket simply from selling it to somebody else. And you can use that money that you just got back from selling your dress to invest into a project to make you even more money. Then you can buy a couple of them dresses now. Now you can buy a couple of them. So yeah, you gotta think in the future and not just at the simple, you know, specific moment. All right, another way you can earn some money online is through referrals.
I'm gonna put these things in the description box because this is very valuable information.
Next app, this is an app now. Digit is an app that you can download on your phone. I've seen app too many times, it's getting, you know, messing up. But so Digit saves change for you. So you connect your card, you know, and first when you sign up, I think it automatically gives you $5. And then, you know, you always get paid for referrals on all of these apps. You get paid for referrals. So if you get someone to sign up through your link, then you benefit. You know, so in my eyes, either here nor there, like, it's not it's a win-win for both sides, you know. So yeah, digit saves change from you. You don't really notice it coming out your account. They'll take like 20 cents here and there, but you never know what you could do with that in the future. You can't, like I said, you gotta look at where you can go. You can't just look at what's in front of you. You gotta think about, you gotta see your vision through. So you gotta see your vision. I see it, and you gotta go along the journey of getting to there. So Dosh is the next app that you can earn money from. So Dosh, you connect your card to this app as well, and what it does is it gives you cash back on certain purchases. So sort of like a coupon, that's the way I see it. So certain stores you go to, you'll get cash back just from spending your money. Well, who wouldn't want something nice like that on their phone? You know, I'm really big on making money through your phone, so I am using all of these apps. So the next ones are for people with cars. Y'all probably know some of these I'm gonna say because we be using them, but so I've used some of these. I use Postmates. I really love it. It's kind of like DoorDash. So basically you get people's deliveries and bring them to their house. You get from about, I would say, $5 to $10 per delivery. So you're able to rack up your money really quick. So imagine if you did $10 deliveries in one day. And that's $100 in one day. If you work a 9 to 5, work 5 days a week for 8 hours a day, at the end of the week, your check comes out to about $300. Okay, versus you making $100 in one day. Doesn't that seem more beneficial because you're able to make money faster? But anyway, back to the subject. I got one off on a tangent. So another one is Grubhub, Instacart, Uber Eats. They're all the delivery apps and things like that. Next is Amazon Flex. So, you know, Amazon is another place. I know a lot of people that work there, but basically deliveries with your car as well. And Uber and Lyft. We all know what Uber and Lyft is, if not similar to a taxi. So you're just paying somebody to take you to a destination. Alright, so next, last but not least, the last category is services. So services, I would say you could kind of look at as somewhat businesses. You know, some people don't consider their services as businesses, but in my eyes, it's the beginning of the ladder into businesses and bigger corporations. So you have food platters. You know, nowadays a lot of people don't cook, so that's a very easy way to put some income in your pocket. If you know how to cook, make a big dinner, something regular that you would eat, something really jumping that you know everybody's gonna love. That mac and cheese, that fried chicken, yeah. And make platters. Get a whole bunch of them foam platters with the different sections. Put your food in. Make some desserts. People love the desserts. Banana pudding, cheesecake, regular cake, cookies, all of that. Candy. If you in school, you in middle school, sell some candy. Go to the Dollar Tree. Go buy or go to BJ's. Go to a big thing of some candy. Sell it to everybody for like 25 cents, 50 cents. And then you're gonna be racking up money, and that's gonna show you for when you get older how it works. So yeah. Alright, and something else you can do, another service, eyelash techs. It's like, I mean, the individual lash, how, you know, lash techs do, but you learn a skill, skills, things of that nature. Now you're able to provide a service to people and make really good money just from providing a service to people. That's a way different environment than a 9 to 5. You're your own boss. Still trading your time for money, but you your own boss. Another one is Forex. A lot of people probably like, what is Forex? I'm going to make a what is Forex video. But Forex is basically similar to the stock market. It's a form of investment. So that's another thing I would say, investments, things of that nature. And also build your credit. But anyway, Forex is a really life-changing opportunity for me. For a lot of people I know, I see Black China is now a damn Forex trader. But a lot of people are able to benefit from it because they have big followings. So if you have a big following, or if you know that you know a lot of people, or you have a lot of followers that you know support you, become a trader, join a platform, and you're able to get residuals from putting people onto this beautiful life-changing opportunity. So I literally know people that trade Forex and are retired and living their best life. It ain't it make working a 9-to-5 your whole life. Well, in my eyes, you know, everybody's different. I'm not telling anybody what to do. You know, I feel like success is what you make it out to be. So for me, I want to, you know, get to break out of these generational curses. Period. All I got for y'all today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I would love to see you beautiful people back here for another video, and that's it.